Let's bring snacks to school, hide our phone in juice, sleep in class, and invent homemade stickers. Today, we will share a selection of the most interesting life hacks for students. Bored in class, but there's a new video you want to watch? But the teacher sees everything and takes your phone away. Wait, but my friend also has a phone. After the terrible educational tornado, she does not want to part with it at all. Although you can use one clever life hack. Remove your jacket or coat from one shoulder. Put the sleeve on the table, covering your neighbor's hand with it. Leave your hand in sight. Place the hand with the phone under the desk. At a particularly dangerous moment, hide the smartphone under the desk. And this time, your sneakiness will go unnoticed. All of us have habits that are not harmful, but very annoying. For example, why do you always lick your finger? What do you mean, why? To make it easier to turn the pages. But you don't have to do that. For this life hack, get a rubber band. Wrap it around your index finger. You were right! That's much easier. Paper pages stick to the band and turn over without problems. What class do we have on our schedule? Biology, chemistry, English? All our notebooks look the same. And the one you're looking for will be the last one you'll find, obviously. But my friend has no issues like that. One look at the notebook and she knows what subject it belongs to. Take a thick notebook with at least 48 sheets. Tightly squeeze the pages. Write the name of the subject with a pen or a marker. That's it! Now you will never confuse them. Do you get that feeling that your friend is better at designing notebook covers than you? Where did she get such cool stickers from? I have never seen these before. Don't worry, she has a couple of handmade stickers for you. For this life hack, print black and white pictures. Color them with colored pencils. Then, take a few gummy candies. Melt the bears in the microwave. Turn the picture over. Apply the sticky mixture with a brush. Distribute the jelly glue evenly on the paper. The stickers are ready. You can attach them onto a Ziploc bag. Peel off the stickers from the plastic. Decorate the cover of a notebook. A huge plus of these stickers is that they can be easily detached and re-glued to another notebook. The girls were zoning out when suddenly, boom! They didn't even notice that they became victims of a head-on collision. Their books are scattered across the floor. Oh, come on! We thought this only happened in old movies. To keep this from happening, use your belt. Stack the books in a pile. Tighten the stack with a belt. It turned out to be an easy way to carry books and magazines. Very comfortable. Recess is a time of fun, dance, and entertainment. But the school bell has already rung and you need to think about urgent matters. For example, how to hide your phone so that it will quickly not be taken by the teacher again. Or how a big pack of juice got empty so quickly. By the way, what do you think is common between a smartphone and a juice pack? We will tell you. Trace over the phone on the cardboard. Cut out a door. Put the phone in the box. The first rule of the secret movie theater is that you do not talk about the secret movie theater. Well, except your neighbor. You cannot turn on the sound in the classroom, so enjoy watching a silent movie and cover it with the cardboard door at the right moment. Your friend clearly has some problems with her handwriting. It's like chicken scratch. And also, you're holding the pen wrong. The cap should point straight at your shoulder. Can't you do that? Put a rubber band on your wrist. Twist the loop and stretch it on the pen. The rubber band will automatically keep the pen in the correct position and your handwriting will be one step closer to calligraphy. It's so simple! When there's creative chaos on the desk, your things keep falling to the floor. And what if you try to deal with this problem once and for all? Take a binder clip and a rubber band. Collect markers and tie them with the rubber band. Attach the band onto the scissors ring. Fasten the clip to the edge of the table. Hang a pencil case next to it. Attach the scissors and a utility knife separately. The result is a suspension system for storing the office supplies. Need a marker? Just gently pull it out of the bundle. And there is now perfect order on the table. Only the strongest survive to the last class of the day. Under the monotonous voice of the teacher, you can sleep even better than under the sounds of rain. We already have our first victim. Oh no, our teacher is going to be horrible when she's mad. We will tell you how to sleep in class and avoid getting in trouble. You need a sweatshirt, a balloon, and a large picture of yourself. Inflate the balloon. Put it in the hood. Insert the photo and tighten the hoodie strings. Put your backpack on the chair. Pull the hoodie on it and lie down on the desk. The seated figure won't draw your teacher's attention, and you can just take a nap. Be careful not to snore. My friend loves chips. There are so many empty cans from them that soon they will evict us from our apartment. And I love to read, but holding a book in my hand is not very convenient. I prefer to use a stand, which unfortunately is not anywhere close. But the containers from Pringles are. Bind a couple of jars from chips together using rubber bands and set a book between them. It's elementary. How have we not thought of this before? And now we will share a life hack for a laptop case. Unfasten the long handle. You need to fasten it to the same places again once you pass the short handles through it. The result is 2 separate handles. You can put it on your back like a backpack. Done! Your hands will remain free and you can carry even more valuable and useful things. Very helpful. Learning is much more fun when you have something to chew on. But my teacher fundamentally disagrees with our theory and does not want to see any snacks during class. My starving friend bites her pen in despair. Wait, it doesn't work that way. But gummy bears as bookmarks are a great idea. You need paper clips and some gummy bears. Put the bears on paper clips. Attach them to the pages of the notebook. Getting the gummies with your teeth is even more interesting. Gummy bears! What could be better? Only potato chips hidden in a secret case. For this trick, you will need scrapbook paper and a container from Pringles. Cover it with paper. Use hot glue. Hot glue on a zipper. It looks like a regular pencil case, but your favorite chips are inside. At the right time, just close the lid of the pencil case. That was so smart! High five! What if my ballpoint pen does not want to write at all? What are you doing? Is this mutiny? Please write! Come on! But no matter how hard you try, there is not a trace on the paper. In this case, a lighter will help you. Heat the tip of the pen. Hold it over the fire for just a few seconds. And if the problem is not that it's out of ink, this little trick should work. Let's see! It worked! The pen is writing again. What should you do when you want to watch a movie, but you need to be good students and take notes? Oh, the never-ending problem of choice! Switching browser tabs for the whole 2 hours? No, our girls do not have that much patience. For this life hack, you need a phone and a clothes hanger. Attach the hanger to the laptop monitor. Fasten your smartphone to the clamp. Having 2 screens solves all our problems. And everyone chooses what is most important to them, finding out how the movie ends or getting an A on the exam. After working out, my friend can barely make it to the couch. She pulls out her sportswear. Ew, what's that smell? How can you save things from an unpleasant smell? We have a radical method. Take a Ziploc bag. Put the smelly clothes in it. Close the package tightly. Put it in the freezer for a day. Take the clothes out of the bag, and the unpleasant smell is completely gone. The bacteria that caused it was destroyed by the cold. This is what true frosty freshness means. Did you like our new life hacks for students? Then let us know in the comments which one surprised you the most. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to watch more school ideas from Troom Select.